Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to tan of s over number 2. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have 1 over 2 secant of s over 2 square. Because we don't have 1 over 2, so I will put number 2 go to the left. So this one we change for u. This one with the s we change for 2 du. And now we have the final answer. So this one we have number 8. This one we have number 8. So number 2 divided by number 8, we have number 4. So u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.